Sergio, thanks for coming.
Sure, thanks for inviting me.
It's really nice to have you come down for us. I feel like an old pro here because this is day 3 for me, and I understand it's your first trip to international here.
Yeah, again, thanks for inviting me. I'm excited to be here in the international plant.
Now, I understand you just grew up a few miles from here.
Yeah, actually I'm from Saltillo, Puebla, Mexico. It's 60 kilometers away from here.
But you live in the U.S. now for Cummins.
Yes, I live in the US. I live in Texas, Houston, Texas.
And you help fleets manage their performance and motors, is that what I understand?
Yeah, I take care about fleet owners. I make sure that they maximize the capacity of their Cummins engine. I try to add value to them through knowledge of the engines.
Well, I can't wait for us to go out and see the motor that's actually going to go into our truck, and you can explain it to me, because the new X15, from what I understand, is way above normal. I know enough about this plant that we need to get somebody to show us around, because I'll get lost. This place is huge, huge.